I know you heard of us by now. Flipping the script on you, letting you know how we get down. Job on the screen, goosebumps on my skin, adrenaline. We only came to win. We only came to win. We only came to win. Working hard as we can, less than that a sin. Got my oxygen, squeezing 2 breaths in. Save them, let's begin. Push hard, push deep, keep that tempo, Godspeed, Godspeed. Get that heart racing, 100 beats a minute, pace it. Death is in the air, now I'm here prepared to face it. Time is of the essence, I ain't there to go and waste it. Amazing, #1 job in the world, and it gave me more than one opportunity to be brave, be strong, be 911. Gonna keep on struggling until my time is done. EMTs and medics, we don't give up. No matter what the case, no matter what we face. Never give up, never ever give up. Get your head up, come on, get your head up. Fire EMS, we don't give up. When times are getting rough, we always stand tough. Never give up, never ever give up. Get your head up, come on, get your head up. You may have heard some good things or read about some bad, but as a matter of a fact, EMS is here, and we're ready to react with just one goal, to get you back on track. We're here for the masses, mass impact, mass casualty incidents, terrorist attacks, superstorms, yeah, we got your back. Steadfast, training hard for the task, doing what we can just to make your life last. EMS forever, smack dab on the map. Day by day, stronger, better than the past. Rising up, we will never collapse like in a pneumothorax. I stand by my badge, I swear by my collar brass. I pray to the one up there, his magnificence, for the strength down here to make that difference. We make a difference. EMTs and medics, we don't give up. No matter what the case, no matter what we face. Never give up, never ever give up. Get your head up, come on, get your head